How to create Google Meeting link on your mobile device. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through on how you can create your own meeting link using Google Meet on your mobile device. So if you are also wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow up, and you should be able to create your own meeting link in Google by using mobile phone. So let's just get started and look out on how we can do that. So first thing first, if you have the Google Meet application, you can just open it up. But if you don't have it, you can just go ahead and download it from your available app store. And once it is downloaded, otherwise you can also use up the website, but you can use up the app for more convenience. So you can just go and download it from available app store. And once it is downloaded, once you've downloaded the application, you're just going to go ahead and launch it by tapping on it and open it up on your screen. Once you have opened up the Google Meet, you will be seeing the dashboard of the Google Meet application. So in order to create a new meeting, you can go ahead and look up for this option called New. In the bottom, you can find this option. You can go ahead and tap on it. And when you tap on it, you can find different options to start a meeting. So in order to create a link, you can look up for this option called Create Link, which is on the first. There are 3 options available. Click on the first one and click on OK. And your link will be created. So you just need to share up your link with other people, and once you have shared your link, you can just directly head over and join and wait for other people to join your meeting as well. So you can either copy of your meeting and share it, or otherwise you can use share option and directly join over to the meeting. So once you have created own meeting, you can find this 3 dot at the bottom. You can just go ahead and click on it, and since you are the host of the meeting, you can just go ahead and control your settings of your meeting. So once you're on the host controls, you can find different options here. So there is an option called host must join before anyone else. So if you want to join before anyone else joins your meeting, you're going to enable this option. Like if you don't want other people to join unless you have joined, you can enable this option, and other people can only join if you have joined this meeting. So you can just go ahead and enable this option. Otherwise, we also have meeting access type, like no one has to ask, anyone can dial, and you can choose if you want that. Otherwise, people can join in without asking if they are invited using their Google account, so trusted one. And you can choose up that option if you want anyone to join and anyone else to join easily. Another thing we have is host management. So if you enable this option, you get these options available, these settings available that you can control, like sharing your screen, chat messages, and reactions. So if you enable this option, you can control who can share their screen, send chat messages, and send reactions. So these are the settings you can open up after you have created your own link, and once you have shared your link with other people, these settings will apply it in that particular meeting. So that is how you create your own meeting link on Google Meet, which is super easy. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.